I just want to talk to you guys about our last paper, just a little bit. The last paper, you're going to have to turn a draft into me that's going to be due on the 30th, and you're going to have to turn in the final at the end of our final exam, which will be May 7th or by May 7th. I've kind of laid out an outline for you for this paper. So you should first have an introduction, like always. It's normal. It should include your thesis statement and your evaluation, and it should kind of cover the different topics that you're going to cover in your paper. The second paragraph of your paper, I want to have be an analysis. Some of you guys have never done analysis before, and that's okay. We're going to talk more about how to do that this semester. But think about analysis as being like a discussion of a theme. The word analysis means to break something into its parts. So we're going to not give the whole summary of the thing you're writing about, but instead we're picking and choosing things that support what we think the theme of the work is to try to prove that. Then you have to compare and contrast. You can do that in whatever order you want to. Just make sure that your paragraphs are broken up by topic. Your next to last paragraph in your paper will have to be an evaluation. The topic of this paper is that you have to pick any work of fiction. It can be a short story, it can be a novel, it can be a kid's book, I don't care. And then watch the movie version of the same thing and compare and contrast, analyze, and make an evaluation. Your evaluation is the book is better at something, or maybe the movie is better at something. But please do not just say it is better, period. It's better at what? Some examples we're going to talk about over the next couple of weeks, or maybe the book is better at revealing the character's thoughts, or the movie is better at letting you picture what's happening. Any one of us can have different evaluations over the exact same thing, and that's totally normal. Then, of course, as always, your last paragraph should be your conclusion. You may use I in this paper, but you may not use you. Each one of these parts may end up being more than one paragraph long, obviously, except for the introduction and the conclusion. If you find that you have more comparisons than you have contrasts, you may have to change your topic. Same if it's the opposite, if you have more contrasts than paragraphs or than comparisons. Let's see. This says that your rough draft has to be 4 pages. I'm going to say 3. You can do 3, but the final version of this has to be at least 5. And if it's not at least 5 pages, I will not grade it. You do have to have a works cited page, and we're going to talk about how to do that here in just a moment.